guys, Phil here from Longshot Sports. Today we have something different. We have a FAMAS, the French Legion's firearm. And also many of you will know they're going mainly from Metal Gear Solid. Something I have not played for so long. Alright, CYMA, it's licensed by CyberGun, but it's made by CYMA. You've got pretty much a pretty unique looking piece of kit. It comes with a built-in metal bipod, as you can see, battery and charger. As far as the FPS goes, it's doing 310, so it's fine to go for any game that you can find. Going from back to the front, you've got a rubber butt plate, which is nice. It's also got this interesting dimpled effect as well, which is useful. Very light. Magazine is towards the rear, bullpup style, much like L85s, FAMAS, F2000s, any of them. They work in a similar way. You've got a massive carry handle, so even those with the most gigantic of hands won't have any issues. You've got your safety, which is actually where the trigger is, which is an interesting approach. The cheek rest as well, that is interchangeable. You can whip that off, flip it and stick it on the other side depending on if you are lefty or righty. You've got sights which are built into the handguard itself, so when you look down on your bipod, that's quite useful. You've got your sights built into the carry handle. Your battery goes towards the front there, so you pop that cover off and that exposes the wires, tamias. Pop your battery in and away you go. Most of the construction, in all fairness, is plastic ABS style. I mean, it still feels fairly solid, it's fairly lightweight. There's no real creaks. I had a TM one in for a while, which was absolutely awful, and while the BBs flew forever, it was only doing about 190 FPS, and the whole construction was so creaky, shoddy, it was awful. But I can happily say that isn't the case with this one. There's no creaks, there's no wobbles, but it is all mainly plastic construction. You've got a metal high cap mag, metal bipod, as I say. The flash hider is metal as well, metal outer barrel, along with metal internals. So the gearbox is metal, the gears are metal. And all in all, it's just something different. You see a lot of people that go to games, 36s, MP5s, AKs, M4s, and it's nice to see something that's just unusual. You've got, actually on both sides, you've got the trade, FAMAS, FAMAS Mark, 6mm, FAMAS F1. Sticker there, which obviously needs to be taken off when you buy it, but pretty much that's the only real marking. The FAMAS does not take M4 mags, so you need to make sure you can get hold of the mags. I've been told by a friend of mine that they can be used with TM magazines as well. I've yet to try that, but I don't see why it should be incorrect, so there's a bonus for you. Sling on the rear as well. And that's it. That would be the CyberGun FAMAS. And I do like them very much. I'm not an M4 player, although I've got one. I do like guns which are a little bit out there, a little bit different, and this certainly ticks that box. And speaking of boxes, the box that it comes in is beautiful. Hey! No cardboard, plain cardboard stuff for this one. It is a high finished, glossy illustration. It's beautiful on it. You know, for the packaging, I can't say anymore. It's beautiful. It really is. It's almost worth displaying on its own. But there you go. That is the FAMAS F1 by CYMA, licensed by CyberGun, in a really nice box, with a battery, with a charger, high cap magazine. Comes with instructions as well. but to be fair, for any AEG, it's fairly simple to rework with. So there you go. If you want one, let me know and I'll get one sent out to you. Happy days.